Hi, and thank you for choosing CardStudio 2.0. This video tutorial explains more about using the Shape and Image tool when creating your card design. The first step of creating a card design is to create a background. Choose a blank background or use the Shape or Image tool to create a background. For this design, we are using an image as background. Select the Image tool and then click on the card on the canvas. Resize the image element to cover the card. Now we will go to the element properties and select an image. Click on the Select Image button. Select the background image for your card design and click the Open button. When your image has the correct size and you do not want the image to stretch, check the aspect ratio box. This will keep the original ratio of the image intact. If you want the same background image on the back side of the card, you can copy and paste the image. We will also add a logo image to the front of the card. Click the Image tool again. Click on the card and select your logo image. Do not forget to select the aspect ratio box. Resize the logo to fit the card using the handlers at the corners of the image. Now use the Shape tool to create a lighter area as part of the design. Click on the Shape tool, click on the card, and resize the shape element to your liking. To adjust the color and border, go to Element Properties and click on the Style tab. Set the border thickness to 0. Click on the background color to select another color or change the transparency of the image. We will make this shape slightly transparent and click on OK. A great start of a card design using shapes and images.